Students, today we will discuss about the fish diseases part first, infectious type of fungal disease. Synopsis. First introduction. Characteristics of fungus, fish pathogenic fungi and their classification. Fourth, fungal diseases in fishes, that is saprolagniasis, branchiomycosis, ichthyophanosis. Now first, characteristics of fungus. Fungi are the members of kingdom Thallophyta. Fungi are colorless, that is no chlorophyll and heterotroph. Fungus are responsible for serious and economically important disease in Teleos. The first fungal infection was noticed by Arderon in 1784. Fish pathogenic fungi and their classification. Fungi are reported to be responsible for many fish diseases. These fungi belong to a wide variety of taxa, and the most frequent are the water molds belonging to Oomycetes. Classification of fish pathogenic fungi is as follows. First, Mycomycetes, that is slim mold. Second, Phycomycetes, that is true fungi. Ascomycetes, that it is also true fungi. Basidomycetes, it is also true fungi, and Deuteromycetes, this is fast fungi. Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes and Basidomycetes comes under Eucomyta. Fungal diseases of fishes. First is saprolagniasis, species prone to disease. All species of fishes are prone to this disease. Causal agent or organism. Saprolagnia species. Symptoms: cotton wool like white or grey growth on skin, gills and eyes of fishes, and in fish eggs also, as well as white areas in the tail or fin. This is the picture of saprolagniasis, showing white areas in the tail and white areas around the body. Transmission of saprolagniasis. Saprolagniasis is transmitted direct by direct contact between diseased fish or fish eggs and healthy one. Second, indirect contact through several sources including the water supply, transport vehicles, movement of staff between aquaculture facilities and farm equipment such as nets. Control measures. It can be controlled by avoiding damage of skin during transportation of fish. Overcrowding of fish must be prevented. Third, reduce organic food. Fourth, bath in 5% solution of common salt. Malachite green at the rate of 0.1 gram in 1000 liter of water in pond treatment. Second, branchiomycosis, that is gill rot disease. Species prone to disease. Most species of freshwater fishes, including carps, are prone to this disease. Second, causal agent or organism. Branchiomyces sanguinis and Branchiomyces demigrans. Symptoms: respiratory distress, reddening of gills, congestion and necrosis of gill tissues takes place. Gills may be appearing red from impaired circulation. This is the picture of branchiomyces, that is gill rot disease. Transmission of branchiomycosis, that is gill rot disease. Fungal spores are transmitted by water to gills. These spores added to the gills germinate and produce hyphae. The hyphae penetrate gills epithelium or within the blood vessels of gills depending on the species of fungi. Control measures. Pond with branchiomycosis should be dried and treated with calcium oxide, that is quicklime, 2 to 3 kg copper sulfate per hectare. Reduce organic load. Bath in 5% solution of common salt. Malachite green at the rate of 0.1 gram in 1000 liter of water in prawn treatment. Third, ichthyophanosis, that is reeling disease, species prone to disease. Both freshwater and many fish are prone to this disease. Causal agent or organism. Ichthyophanosis hofferi. Symptoms: rough or granulomatous skin. White nodules appear in internal organs like heart, liver, kidney, spleen, and brain. These nodules are filled with cellular debris and fungus. Infection of liver and kidney leads to abdominal distension. Transmission of ichthyophanosis, that is reeling disease. First, oral route. Ingestion of infected raw fishes or fish products or other food transmits disease. Second, skin abrasions or damaged gills help in transmission of the infection. Third, carriers help in spreading of the infection through fecal discharges. Fourth, the disease can transmitted by contact between diseased fish and healthy one. Next, control measures. No therapeutic procedures for treatment are found for treatment of ichthyophonus. Only quarantine regulation is suggested. Feeding of raw fish or infected must be prevented. Thanks.